Welcome to the Ultima Dental Systems instructional video on replacing the bottle selector switch. Remove all pressure from the dental unit. Remove the single screw located on the left side of the front control panel. There are 3 tubings connected to the bottle selector switch. Use a 9/16 size wrench to remove the silver hex nut on the front panel to remove the switch. Pull the bottle selector switch out from the rear of the panel. Cut the tubings off one by one and repeat the steps until all of the tubings are attached to the new bottle selector switch. Use a ferrule lock tool to lock the plastic ferrule collar in place. If you do not have a ferrule lock tool, discard the ferrule lock collar and you may use a small zip tie instead. Insert the new bottle selector switch back onto the front panel. Fasten it tightly. Use a 9/16 size wrench. Close the front panel. Use the single screw to fasten the panel securely.